What is the approximate number of known and described species on Earth, also referred to as biodiversity? 1.7-1.8 million. In the binomial nomenclature system given by Carolus Linnaeus, what does the first word of the scientific name represent? Genus. The International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, ICBN, provides the agreed principles and criteria for naming which group of organisms. Plants. According to the universal rules of nomenclature, if a biological name is handwritten, how should it be treated? Separately underlined. What is the scientific term for the convenient categories, based on observable characters, into which organisms are grouped during classification? Taxa. The process that is basic to taxonomy and involves describing an organism correctly before naming is known as identification. The branch of study that takes into account evolutionary relationships between organisms, in addition to identification and classification, is termed systematics. Which taxonomic category is an assemblage of related families exhibiting a few similar characters? Order. For animals, classes like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals are placed together in which higher category based on common features like notochord. Phylum. As we move up the taxonomic hierarchy from species to kingdom, what generally happens to the number of common characteristics shared by organisms? It decreases. Ernst Mayr, known as the Darwin of the 20th century, made the origin of what a central question of evolutionary biology. Species diversity. The scientific name for human beings is Homo sapiens. What taxonomic category does sapiens represent? Species specific epithet. Solanaceae, which includes genera like Solanum, Petunia, and Datura, represents which taxonomic rank? Family. What was a significant revelation from systematic studies that humbled man and led to conservation movements? Understanding that all living organisms are related. The earliest classifications of organisms by humans were often based on what criterion? Uses of organisms. Which of these taxonomic categories is placed between class and family in the hierarchy? Order. The book, Systema Naturae, was authored by which prominent biologist? Carolus Linnaeus. Which of the following is not considered one of the fundamental processes basic to taxonomy? Genetic engineering. The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. What is the genus? Mangifera. According to the chapter, an anthropocentric view of biology by societies led to what outcome in biological knowledge? Limited progress. What is the primary technical question that the chapter, The Living World, aims to reflect upon? What is living, as opposed to non-living? In the taxonomic hierarchy for wheat, Triticum aestivum * Poaceae represents which category? Family. The order Primata, which includes monkeys, gorillas, and gibbons, belongs to which class? Mammalia. What are the two components of a biological name under the binomial nomenclature system? Generic name and specific epithet. Which of these is the correct way to write the scientific name for housefly according to binomial nomenclature rules? Musca domestica.
Go to smartylearn.com, log in. Now here you can access detailed mind maps of all NCERT chapters. Link in the description. Subscribe now.